So respected leader sir and all of my friends, very good morning. So today I have chosen the topic for my lecturette as the Clean Ganga mission. So basically I would like to divide my lecturette into four parts. In the first part I would be talking about the basic introduction of the Clean Ganga mission, and then I would be talking about what progress it had made so far, and then I would be talking about the challenges which the project has faced till now, and the solutions. In the fourth part I would be talking about the solutions for easing or for making the cleanup a bit more convenient. So starting from what is basically a Clean Ganga mission. So it is an ambitious project launched by Government of India in the year 2014 and earmarked rupees 2000 CR towards it. This project basically project is basically meant for cleaning the Ganga and its basic stretch, because there were so many states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Jharkhand where Ganga is like too dirty, because its water is not even good for drinking. And earlier, in the early times, like we used to drink, or we used to consider Ganga water as holy water. So basically, if I move further towards what progress the project had made so far. So in the Uttarakhand and Jharkhand areas, most of the projects are completed and it is towards the culmination of the project in those states. And if I would be talking about Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, like these are a very large states and Ganga has mostly present in these states. So like there are more wider stretches and very long river, and also very deep waters and shallow waters were there. So that is why only 60% of the work has completed till now. And then if I talk about the rest of the states where Ganga is located, 70% and more than 70% of the work has been completed in those states. And if I move further towards the challenges which the project has faced, so it is basically there are so many challenges. So first of all, there is a municipality challenge which the project has to face. Like the municipalities which were allotted for the cleanup of the project, they were usually doing dumping the waste outside their jurisdiction, and were cleaning their stretches, so that if an official came for the inspection, they would be showing it straight to the inspector, or whosoever is the surveyor, that they have maintained their stretch. But on at the same time they were dumping the waste on the other, or on someone else jurisdiction. So it is a very big major problem, because it is not contributing for the mission. And thereafter, if I talk about the pandemic recently, like the water got contaminated so much by the open cremation and the open defecation which usually done in the states of UP and Bihar. And we have seen that open cremation of the bodies during the pandemic was very much prominent in these states. And thereafter, the poor ecological flows because of the hydroelectric dams and irrigation processes which is there, which is reducing the ecological flow, natural ecological flow of the rivers. And if I further move towards the solution or the conclusion for how can we make it more convenient, clean up more convenient. So first of all, we need to improvise the ecological flow, and with the improvising of the ecological flow, we need to further focus on development of sewage treatment plants, so that uh, the waste will directly will not going wouldn't be going into uh, the straight into the rivers. And the industrial waste must have to be treated before dumping it into the river. And this is some of the ways by which we can further improve or further make it more convenient for the cleanup. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.